2 plus 2 equals 4 HMM, gotta know my math. Oh, are you filming already? Oh, my manners. I am King U and welcome one and all to the US elections 2012. 1. Why do you think you should be president?
I should be president because I need money so bad. My suit is made from poop. I need a bit of money.
And I should be president because I was president in 2011 and I wanna be president again.
Why does everyone want to get this job? In fact, I don't even know why I'm here.
I'm constipated. That's why I wanna be president, plus I'm a girl.
And the president of 2012 is Barack Obama.
Oh my god. I am president again.